Hey guys, I made a video yesterday talking about the 4 times I almost died, and I woke up in the night just feeling physically drained, and I was like really tired when I woke up this morning as well. Now, if you don't know my backstory, I've been living with chronic pain pretty much my whole adult life due to thoracic outlet syndrome and 3 lower back surgeries, including a recent double spinal fusion surgery 17 months ago. And also my wife passed away 8 months ago, so I've been dealing with a lot. So yesterday I made this video talking about, besides all these other things I'm dealing with, how I almost died 4 times. And I guess the video was a little bit more emotional for me to make than I thought it would be. Since my wife died, my life strategy has just been to live for today. Live for today, plan for tomorrow. That's what I've been doing, and it's been working pretty well for me. So kind of been, trying to let go of the past and not worry about the future. Although talking about those old situations I went through where I almost died, apparently, took a lot of my energy, because like I said, I woke up in the night just feeling drained, like someone just drained my battery and it needs to be recharged. So my energy is really not very high today. And it got me thinking is, since my wife died, I've been, by myself, and I try to avoid negativity. I hardly ever turn the TV on, and if I listen to music, it's all positive, and almost everything I do is positive. If I watch videos on YouTube and stuff, it's all positive stuff. So everything coming in is mostly positive, and I've noticed when I get out away from that, I'm getting really sensitive to negativity. I pick up on it really easy. So after I made that video, I was thinking, gosh, that was talking about old stuff. Hopefully it just got all that stuff up and out of my system, kind of like therapy. That's, I guess, what you do when you go to therapy. You talk and you try to bring up old things and get them out. But it made me think, as talking about how I pick up on negativity so much, is when I'm out and about, I hear so many people talking about, things in the past, all these things that happened to them, and, they're still angry about this and that, and talking about all these things in the past that really, are just probably draining their energy. I mean, the more I live in the present, the more I see that all these things that people worry about in the past, worrying about all that, you only have so much energy, and that takes, a lot of your energy. And I think if you spend all your time worrying about that, it just, it really kind of sucks the life out of you. I'm really noticing that since I've been living by myself, is everything I do is pretty much positive. Everything I watch, like I said, everything I see, it's all positivity. And so I've noticed that I'm getting so positive up here in my head, all the negativity is kind of getting out of there. So now when I go out and about, or turn the TV on, or go on Facebook or this and that, all of a sudden I'm like, man, too much negativity. I'm not liking these negative vibes. So anyway, it's just really got me thinking about that, how much, negativity affects people. Anyway, think about that. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll talk to you next time.
And you just won't put it behind you, but you sit and you dwell on the past. Well, can't you see you can't see tomorrow, as long as you're looking back?